Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of the ENJOMOR steam engine kit. A few weeks ago I was sent this beautiful engine by Enginediyshop in China, and they sent the new parts to me today. There's a bearing here, so now I can run it on steam. So I'm really excited for this. Let's get cracking. First of all, let's get this boiler filled. So the instructions said that we need to use 25 millilitres of water in the boiler. So I've got my syringe and we've got to fill out 25 millilitres of water. Just put it in there. About that. Apparently that should do. So now we take the stator valve off. Put this in here and then fill the boiler. There we go. Now we need to fill the burner with some alcohol. I'm going to be using methylated spirits. Now I'm going to fill the burner here with some methylated spirits. You don't need a lot. There we are. Put that under the boiler, and now we light the fire. There we go. Fire is lit, and put it under the boiler. One benefit of this steam engine is it doesn't need as much oil as other ones. All I need to do is put oil into this little hole here to get some into the piston. So I'll do that now. You really don't need a lot. And then I'm going to put a bit just on the valve here and a tiny bit on here as well, just to give it a helping hand. But really, you don't need much oil in this at all. Put the little chimney back on. This hole goes at the bottom so the condensate can come out. So now all we have to do is wait for the engine to build some pressure. We are starting to get some boiling sounds now. You can see the engine slowly starting to rotate a bit. It is single acting, so you have to help it on this bit, but I'll get a bit of condensate now. There we are, we're getting steam out the chimney now. I'm going to give it a go now. And we're off. As you can see, the engine runs beautifully. Well, it's just fantastic, you know. I just can't believe how well it runs. It's very powerful actually for its size as well. And of course having the pulley here means you can drive equipment, which is very good as well. So now I can see by the flame where the wicks actually started burning instead of the methylated spirits now. It's starting to run out, so I'm going to have to blow the fire out. But I am beyond amazed at this, guys. Honestly, I think you should buy it. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment for you to purchase this engine. Thank you so much to Enginediyshop. It's been amazing. Thank you and goodbye.